If you want to keep your tasks and to-do lists easily accessible, adding a reminders widget to your iPhone's home screen is a great way to do it. This widget allows you to view and manage your reminders without having to open the app. Here's how to add the reminders widget to your home screen. Solution 1. Add the widget directly. Tap and hold any empty area on your home screen until the icons start juggling. In the top left corner, you will see Edit button. Tap and Add Widget. Tap it to open the widget gallery. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the Reminders widget. Tap on the Reminders widget or apps and you'll see different size options: small, medium, and large. Choose the one that suits your preference. After selecting the size, tap the Add Widget button. You can then drag the widget to your desired location on the home screen. Tap Done. Once you've positioned the widget, to tap Done in the upper right corner to finalize the setup. By following these steps, you can easily add a reminder widget to your phone's home screen, ensuring that your tasks are always just a glance away. If you have any further questions or need assistance with other features, feel free to ask.